Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor on day one of day 5 Virgin Galactic Special. We're going to be live up to 24 hours a day. There'll be a couple, maybe an hour in between, but that's pretty much it. We'll be live 24 hours a day for the rest of the week. We're doing this because it's a huge week on the markets for Virgin Galactic. It's a huge week for us on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. We're celebrating our 2nd anniversary tomorrow. We've been going 10 hours a day for 5 days a week, live, up to 10 hours a day for the last 2 years. And tomorrow we celebrate our anniversary, and we're going to be drinking and getting drunk live on the show while trading. It's going to be a fun day. Only happens 5 times a year. My birthday, the show's birthday, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas and New Year. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. So you're all invited, but it is members only because the general public do not want to see me larking around and all of us drinking together. We're going to have a bit of fun tomorrow. Okay. There is the membership if you want to be a member. We are watching Virgin Galactic and all the stocks today. If we go into it, it's a little bit down today. We are red. The studio is red, but only very slightly. It's a bit of a yucky day. Not a lot great going on, but we have to remember ourselves that we're up over 3 months, over 9%. We're up on the month 3%. So, you know, at the end of the day, we're down a bit, but what the hell? It's all part of investing. Okay. So we're all good. If we go through all our stocks right now, this is where we are. We've got 17 hours to go before the birthday party starts. We had a chart video. If you've not all seen it, this is the birthday celebration tomorrow. You can see all the members are piling in. Look at all the members that are joining now to be part of our event tomorrow. Incredible. It's a members only event, and here is the link if you want to be part of our event tomorrow. And if we go back and look, I want to share this video with you. We did this earlier. I've just put this out. Some of you want to know the exact thoughts, how we feel on the charts. So this is what we put out just literally an hour ago. And there it is. There is the video on the charts provided by Sensei Crypto. Thank you, Ali Sensei, for doing that. There is the link. If you want to go there, I will give you the link right now. I'll share it with you. If you want to go and check out the that chart video, our analysis. I know many of you are asking. Here is exactly our thoughts. There it is. Okay, so if you want to go and check that out afterwards, you can. All right, back to the main show. Here we go. So all the markets are down today. The S&P is down. Remember, I've always said we amplify the markets and then some, as it's a volatile stock unless there's fundamental change. Let me read your comments. Got some comments coming in. Zed Hink. Hi guys, hiya Mike, lovely stuff. Invest in Virgin Galactic for wait for a short squeeze. Wall Street trapper. I think you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. I'm right with you there. How much do you think Virgin Galactic will be at the end of this week? Well, you need to go and look at that video. That'll explain it in more detail. But we could be above the $10, $20 range. Go and have a little more detailed look. Tanko says $5. Oh, we could be way above that. Way above that. It depends on many factors, and it's explained in detail in that video. Catamaran has just become...
Catamaran has become a member.
Hey, Catamaran, what country are you from? Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. Catamaran, thank you very much indeed for being part of the family. Created another account to become a member, but still have the same issue. I'll try when I get home because I want to be a part of tomorrow's members only, FC. Thank you very much indeed. Remember though, don't become a member just for tomorrow's event. Becoming a member gives you birthday celebration. It gives you, you can have a poll. I'll answer all your questions. You get members only videos. You get discounts on merchandise. You can access Discord, you can call in, you get discounts for all my services, the people that are involved with me. There are many perks to being a member. We've got our newsletter, we've got extra, we've got our cash giveaways. Admittedly, you don't need to be a member for the cash giveaways. It's free for everyone. But tomorrow is just one of many things that we do for all the members, okay? $15 after this week could easily be. Do you also see a downside risk or jump? I don't see any downside. If I did, I would have a stop loss and I'd be out, but I'm not. I haven't got a stop loss. I'm just buying more when it goes down. Thanks. Glad I finally got in. Fantastic. We're very welcome. Very happy to have you here. How many passengers is there on each Virgin Galactic flight, Martin? Isn't it 5? There are 2 pilots. I think it's 5. Can someone confirm that? I think it's 5. I think there are 5 seats. Anyway, thanks. Glad I got in. Yes, thank you very much, Mike Flynn. Nice live stream over on Facebook. If you smash the like on Facebook, we'll recognize you here on the screen. Anyway, so there is. Go and check out our chart if you like. Lucid program. Welcome to you, Lucid. Thanks for being here. Virgin Orbit. Rivian's going up. I'm just trying to get my money out, to be quite honest. I want to buy more Tesla when it's down. Still up though, 50%. Mullen. Oh, Mullen. Hello. Hello. Hang on a minute. Let's have a look. Catamaran. What country are you from? Mullen has just popped 16.5%. Now then, let's have a look at this. Are we going to get anything out? I mean, we're a long way down. I'm like 76% out. But I'm not one of those that's going to hold and hope and pray. I just want to get my money out, to be quite honest. I don't really care. But there we go. Down 2.52. Would love. Deleted YouTube app first. Found a video online that explains how. There you go. Maybe you could share that information with our other members. I'm sure. Oh, hang on. We've got a run on Mullen right now. We've got a Mullen. We've got a Mullen. We've got a mullet. We've got a running mullet. USA. Fantastic. So we've got your flag already represented. Fantastic. Catamaran. Welcome to the family. It's nice to see so many members. Your hard work is paying off, Martin. I can't believe it. Tomorrow, I let my hair down. Tomorrow the tie comes off, shirt open. Maybe naked, just sit here naked. There you go. That's going to stop everybody coming right off in here. Don't worry, that ain't going to happen. And tomorrow we'll be drinking, worth a scalp, yeah. Well, it isn't for me because I'm down. Got a munter. Jimmy Lee, you got a munter. What do you mean you got a munter? Anyway, bit of action going on. All of a sudden. There we go, Mullen. No reason to get excited about it, though. But let's, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll put a bit of information out. Let me see if I can find Mullen. This is breaking news. Mullen news. Thank you, Sam, for liking the stream over there on Facebook. Mullen stock completes outstanding series of obligations. Let's have a little look. Mullen. Okay, I've got some information for you guys. I've got some information that might explain a little bit about it. Okay, here we go. Let's talk about Mullen just very quickly. We might be able to get some money out of this. So let me set the clock here. The clock is at where are we now? We are 9 minutes. 9. Here we go. This is some breaking news we can cover. 9 mins. Mullen, M-U-L-N. It will come out later for our Mullen investors. Sensei is here. Huge shout out to Sensei. I'll be right back in just a second with Sensei. So here we go. Breaking news here this afternoon. I'll open up the broadcast lounge. Sensei, if you want to call in and add something to... the broadcast lounge is open. It would be incredibly quick. I'm doing it now. If you want to jump in, the broadcast lounge, Sensei, is open. If I see you, I will jump on in and bring you into the broadcast. Okay, here we go. Right, let's change this one as well. Here we go. Sometimes news happens very fast on our show. That's why we're live 24 hours a day. You've got to be ready. Okay, let me turn the studio green because we're definitely green on this one. All right, okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Mullen, what is going on? All of a sudden, live on our show, pops up 15%. Now, normally at this point, it drops right back down again. We see it over and over again. Let's go and have a look in more detail of what the news is. What is it? Okay, smash the like button if you are here for the very first time. In fact, smash it every time. Just keep smashing like buttons. It's just like a thing you do, right? Subscribe and ring the bell. We've got our big event coming up tomorrow night. Tomorrow, we're here live all day. It's our 2nd anniversary, 2 years old tomorrow. We hit 1 million views. Join us in the morning, members only. Here it goes. It's toppling off. Let's see what's going on with Mullen before it moves. This is the breaking news. It's just happened just some moments ago. Mullen stock completes outstanding Series D obligations. This has just come out, and as we talk about, it's going back down again. This is what happens with Mullen, I'm afraid. Mullen no longer has any outstanding obligations to issue Series D preferred stock. The company also announced a resale of up to 2.3 billion shares this morning. Mullen stock is down more than 95% this year, and it popped up and it's going right back down. Every time we get a bit of news, it gets completely and utterly destroyed. Let's zoom in for you. Mullen stock is in the focus following the electric vehicle company's submission of a Form 8K and a prospectus supplement related to the resale of up to 2.3 billion shares. Notably, the 8K explains that Mullen has completed all outstanding obligations to issue Series D preferred stock. On June 22 and June 26, Mullen and buyers under an existing securities purchase agreement agreed to a deal that would see the buyers receive 165 million shares of Mullen stock and pre-funded warrants excisable for 457 million shares of common stock. Mullen also agreed to issue warrants excisable for 684 million shares of common stock. This new agreement was in lieu of the buyers receiving 622 million shares of Series D preferred stock upon the exercise of their option. Bit more information. Mullen has also agreed to replace a previous agreement for pre-funded warrants excisable for 8 million shares and warrants excisable for 50.9 million shares. Instead, Acutus Capital will receive 13 million and warrants excisable for 18 million shares. These warrants will have an exercise price of 52 cents per share. Acutus has previously agreed to invest 20 million into Mullen on June the 1st. Okay, a bit more information here. Let's continue this as we watch the stock dive all the way back down again. This is what it does. No surprise here. It pops on the news. News comes out. Everyone dumps it and it goes back down again. So you've got to be very, very quick on this. Anyway, let's continue. This morning, Mullen also announced a resale of 2 billion shares. These resale encompasses common stock, which includes common stock issuable upon the exercise of warrants and pre-funded warrants. The company will not receive proceeds from the resale of common stock, although it may receive proceeds from the exercise of warrants and the issuance of shares from the warrants. Proceeds from the warrants mentioned in Mullen's filing would amount to 139 million. These proceeds would be used towards general working capital. As long as it's not paying themselves wages like Peter Rawlinson. Mullen lists several selling security holders, the 3 top sellers, with respect to the maximum number of shares to be sold pursuant to the prospectus supplement, while assuming the conversion of all convertible securities are Azusa Holdings, Acutus Capital, and Davis Wright Pty Limited. Just finishing off then, as of June, there were 643 million shares of common stock outstanding. This means that a resale of all 2.3 billion shares would increase the share count dramatically. In its risk factors section, Mullen warned. Okay. All right, a massive devaluation then. Yeah. Let me have a look at this. Is that of interest? Not really. Okay. That'll do. That'll do. We'll come out of that. So there was an opportunity here to pop on it. It's going back up again. Now let's see where it goes. Are you in Mullen? I'd like your thoughts on this one. This video will come out at the end of this video. Leave me your thoughts below. Join us tomorrow for our special birthday celebration. It's members only. We have a lot of fun on the show. We're just larking around, and join us for that. Okay. Let me just see if we did get Sensei call in. I doubt if he had time. No, he didn't have time. That's absolutely fine. But anyway, I'll edit this at that point and say, anyway, join us in the morning for our special event. We are now, I said to you something great would come on our 2nd anniversary. I always undersell and over-deliver. Well, we're going 24 hours a day. And our services are going to be ramped up. There's going to be more information, more collaboration. That starts tomorrow, 24 hours a day. As it first starts, there will be a few gaps in between, maybe an hour here, there, but that's really it. So we're going to be at least 22, 3 hours a day, if not 24. So join us in the morning for our special event. Click up there for all of that. In the meantime, as always, click over here for more Mullen information, Mullen scams and Mullen other videos. Go and check down there. And if you look down here, you'll see the video for the morning's members only. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I'll put that out at the end of the show. Okay, fantastic. Let's go back to SPCE again, and it's just going sideways right now. We are red, so we'll return red into the studio, sadly. Let's have a quick look. Bring it back into the main show a minute. Mullen, we'll leave it there. We're still down on it. We're not doing anything with it. We'll see what happens. Let's have a look. Let's read some of the comments. Hi, Crag. Stephen, summarize what that means to me like you would explain it to a kid. I need to look more into the filings, Sam, to be perfectly honest. It was a little bit overwhelming for myself as well. Good evening, Ed. Hi, Mike. They're just the headlines. I need more information before I give my thoughts on it. Sensei, good afternoon to you. Hi, Crag Sensei. Thanks for the scalp suggestion, Ed, today. Bought some at 14. Stop loss at entry now. Very nice indeed. Nice, Sensei. Risk-free. There you go. Scalp trade from Ed Nevius this morning. All right. All right. Let's carry on going. Let's have a look down the stocks. Portfolio is still red. The S&P is still red. Virgin Galactic is down 3%, going sideways today. This is the level we said it wants to stay above, and it is. So Sensei was right so far. Eric B, welcome Catamaran. Let me know when you're here on the YouTube chat. Yes, thank you, Eric B. Eric B has just come in to Discord, waiting for Catamaran. If you come into Discord, we'll upgrade your account because you are now, of course, a YouTube member and you get many other perks and benefits. There is your Discord link. Jump on in. Eric B is waiting there for you. All right, let me go back to the stocks a minute. I grabbed the Microsoft put Friday close and flipped to debit put. Spread looking good, says Ed Nevius. Right, Virgin Galactic, where are we? We're going sideways. Let's check our other stocks. Meta coming back up. Rio up 0.74. Ford up 1.28. IonQ 11%. What a rally that's had again. That dropped down. I made money on that, but I'm out of it right now. Robinhood, here is my 10x. This is my 10x. I've made a video on it. 6 to 10x on this one. I'm holding. It's a big position for me. It's 3.92 of my main account, and it is 17.02 of my Roth IRA. Tilray has popped up today a bit. 4.28. Nice to see it. Still down 32%, but nice anyway. Matic. I buy it for the case use, so I'm up on this one. I bought it when it was 38% down, when everybody got all fearful that Robinhood had delisted it. It was the right thing for Robinhood to do. However, everybody didn't understand it. Bitcoin, we've still got a statement. Sensei still believes we're going down to 15,000, and I'm right with him on that. 31, 32,000, we think it will top out and then go back. Anyway, let's see. Enphase up 0.71. Next Era Energy is up 0.26. I'm looking out to see Catamaran appear in Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Now then, really important warning. Really, really important warning. I cannot stress this enough. A number of you today have got scammed by the person pretending to be me on Instagram. I don't know what else to say. Please, I never message you. And most importantly, you know the difference between me and the scammers. I don't follow for follow. I don't follow everybody to follow me. They do. They are never live, and they always spell my name correctly. Today we had Martyn Lucas Investor with 2 L's, and several of you got scammed by it. I don't know what to say. I keep telling you, first of all of my links to all of my social media are here on my website. If you want to follow me, which I hope you do, please report the others. There is my website, martynlucas.com, a secure HTTPS website. All my links for all my socials are there. They're right there. You don't have to go looking around. They're all there. Also, if you sign up for the newsletter, which is free, we're now giving you a birthday card and other special perks and benefits if you want. You don't have to do it. Sign up for the newsletter. Just put your email, name if you want. You don't have to put your birthday in, but if you want to, you'll get a special discount for the shop and a card on your birthday. If you go here, within 10 minutes of signing up, you will get a welcome email, and on there are my official links. So you'll get my TikTok, my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, and you won't end up following some scammer who's trying to steal your money. It's awful what's going on. It's getting worse every single day, and I'm trying to protect people. All I can do is this. All I can do is give you the safe links with my newsletter and tell you all my links are on my website, and they're below every video. Please do not go searching on social media and think I'm just going to follow some bloke called Martyn Lucas. You're not following me. And then don't be surprised if they hack into your account. I hate when someone does that. I hate it. I don't know what else to do. It's horrible. Anyway, let's scroll down a minute. Carry on going. Microsoft down today, 1.53. Google, all tech's down today. I'm still not making any money on J&J, but I'm still holding, and I'm holding with my Coca-Cola as well. McDonald's keeps making money. Amazon, I'm up 27%. I don't mind it and dipping a bit. Apple's doing well as Mira and Jansen. Hi guys, welcome to you. Lucid had a little pop today and back down again. Mullen straight back down again. No surprise there. It wasn't worth getting out. No point at all. Tesla still going down. Rivian's going back down again. And Virgin Galactic is just going sideways. All right, let's have a quick sip of latte. Blimey. I do enjoy my lattes. Oh, you can't beat a latte, can you? All the cream. And Leah puts a bit of that, that chocolate stuff on the top. Welcome to all new members. Yeah, we've got members now in 30 countries. We added Rwanda. Latte, aka whiskey. Tomorrow's the whiskey, Jojo S. Tomorrow is the whiskey, not today. Only 5 times a year. That's enough, right? Anyway, if you've just come on in, welcome. I need to have a little go at everybody. Everyone's forgotten to like the video. 74 watching and only 20 likes. What's going on? Smash the like button. Let's wake everybody up. Should we do it? Do it for like 1 minute. Let's go. 1 minute. Here it comes. 1 minute on the clock. Let's get, how many we got? 74? Let's get 50 likes in 1 minute. There we go. Do that easy, right? Do that easy. 20 likes. There it is. 20 likes. 74 watching. Boom. And 20 likes. Let's get to 50 likes in 1 minute. There we go. 21. Virgin Galactic holding above our chart position, so we're okay. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. 27, we're going up now. Virgin Galactic hitting demand for the third time. A kind of tries to create a divergence now, but not much volume. Let's have a look. Jojo S. Mullen Mitri's underwhelming, lame, lackluster enterprise. It's awful. Ricky Risky. Go, go, go. We had 180 likes this morning. There we go. A little bit rubbish this afternoon. Most people are a little bit asleep, but never mind. Not to worry. Jojo S, you've gone right over my face. What's all that about? What is that all about? Get off my face. There you, there you go. 31, 32. There you go. You're a little bit behind the stream, I think, but never mind. Okay, let's come back out. Paul Holt has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you. So anyway, just so you all know, please do sign up for my free newsletter within 10 minutes of... in fact, if anyone does it right now, would you let me know how soon you get the email? Let me give you the link right now. This is our newsletter for all of my links so you don't get scammed by the scammers. It's awful. There's my link. So go over here, put your email in, like that. Email in Lucas like that. Put your address, put your email. If you've already signed up, you can update it by adding your birthday. All right? You can update it. And tell me how quickly you get the email. You should get the email within 10 minutes. Less than that. And just check your junk folder. And in there, if someone could do it, and then tell me how long it took to get the reply, the welcome email, and then you'll have all the correct links. Then, anyway, I'd like I'd like someone to do that if you've not yet done it. Anyway, I think most of you have. 457 of you have already done it in the first few days, so you might have already done it. But anyway, it'd be nice to know. Where can we make some money today? There really isn't anything. I want to scalp trade something, but I want to get out of Mullen. But I need another 10% of it. I'm just so over it. I don't care where it goes from here. I won't ever miss it if it goes to $1 million. I don't care. I want my money working somewhere else. I'm just not interested in it. I went to Discord and saw the hello, but I don't see where to reply. Okay, you went and saw hello, but you don't know where to reply. I didn't do any hellos. Right? You won't be able to reply for 10 minutes, but if you are able to reply now, you should come in. This is when you come into my channel, you come in here to the welcome all. This is what you're seeing first, right? Correct? The welcome all. Go to the right, scroll down, and right at the bottom, just go hello. So all you got to do is go hello. That's it. You should come in there. All right, that's where you should come in. But you might not be able to comment for 10 minutes. Anyway, was from Eric. Oh, you saw the hello from Eric. Okay, well, just comment there. Anyway, getting fake friend requests on Discord. Yes, you will do. You will do. They're not on our server. I delete them every single day. But they can message you. It's like your phone number. You know, someone can phone you. I can't stop anyone from phoning you personally. They just can't phone you at my place of work. Does that make sense? Anyway. I had a broker last week. Michael Anthony, a message here. I had a broker last week wanting to sell me a 5-year bonds on Dish, D-I-S-H, but I told him that I bought the common shares and rumours for the sale was to buy Direct TV. Oh, really? I'd like to buy Starlink. I can't. Yeah, the reason why you can't, Catamaran, it takes 10 minutes to reply. It won't let you yet. It's got to do a 10-minute timeout. It's to protect from scammers. That's what it's there for. I put a screenshot of a scam profile on the scam alert tab on Discord. Yeah, I know. Let me go and have a look at it. Okay. Positive intent. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, look at this. So you can see it's not me. It's ridiculous. It's so obvious. Look, they use my logo and never actually line it up properly. They don't know how to do it properly. It's always skew-iffy. My name is Martyn Lucas. They've got .business dad. All right. I mean, what can you say? They don't. If you go to their role, if you go and check their role, they are a nobody. They've got no access to the account. It's just a joke. Whereas if you click on my profile, you will see that first of all, my logo is actually centered. Right. I mean, you know, my name is spelled correctly, and guess what? My actual username is Martyn Lucas as well, spelled correctly, and most importantly. If you click there as well on my profile, you will see that I have the role of owner. And most importantly, I will never message you. That's how you know. All right? I will never message you. Anyway. Awful. Right. Mullins trying to go up. Now, Virgin Galactic is at a dangerous level now again. It's at a dangerous level. If it goes below this 411, 410, and then goes below 4, it could go all the way down to 150. I don't think it's going to, but anything can happen. It's why I'm not chasing it up, and I'm certainly not chasing it down. I always look at the date of the user join and compare it to the user, yours, and the server, so I know it's fake. Exactly. But the easiest way is the fact that my username is Martyn Lucas. I'm the only Martyn Lucas in the world on Discord. I own that name. Is the username. That's the point. The clone sent me a request. The clown sent me a request also. Mullen did a reverse split and they don't have great deals in the works, but I don't know that much about the company. The company's worth nothing. Eric, I am here. Eric's on Catamaran saying I'm here on YouTube. Thursday's flight for Virgin Galactic, it's going up this week, so I'm buying the dip. Alfred McKinney, welcome to Alfred. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Virgin Galactic is still going down. Still going down. The overall portfolio is okay. I'm only down a little bit. Not really. I'm down, 0.33. I can live with that. The portfolio is robust. We are good. We've got no margin. We've got no stress. We're good. 418. If it breaks below, I'm buying more. Absolutely 100%. 100%. Rivian. So, to let you know about a new service. So, as from today, we're going nearly 24 hours a day. It's gonna be built out. The service is gonna get more in depth. We're gonna have guests. We're gonna have all kinds of things happen. Right now, though, it's basic. But what you can do is this video, when it finishes, automatically all the videos link automatically goes to our overnight service. It will start at 7:30 p.m. We finish here at 3, so there's a few hours gap there. 7:30, and it will go all the way through until 7:30 in the morning when the other show will start. And the purpose of it is it will share with you what we're talking about at the moment. At the moment, it's Virgin Galactic. Next week, it could be Tesla. Whatever's the most important thing to be talking about. And we're going to have lots of scenes with webcams and live link-ups and stuff like that. A lot of information running in those 24-hour streams, charts. But the main reason is you can talk to each other and ask questions, get support from each other. And then that video, when it ends, will automatically go to whatever's next. So if you're running the 24-hour stream and I do a breaking news story right in the middle of it, it will go straight to it. It's like a news flash. You won't miss it. And if you're watching the live stream in the morning, it will go to the morning show. You won't miss anything. You can just let it sit there, mute it, whatever you want, when it just plays the piano music, and you can chat to your friends. And the idea is to build a community. We want members in every single country of the world all together, supporting each other, and then we can do amazing things together, right? Anyway. What would you think it can be hit by Friday if 29th goes well. We've talked about it today, 16 to 20 bucks. But ultimately, I see it going to 100 bucks, not because of the value of the company. It's just where it will trade to. Yeah, catamaran, it will take 10 minutes for you to be able to talk in the welcome all, but you will be able to do it. It will work for you, I promise you that. All right. Thank you for those that have alerted me. Yep, here's another one. Martyn Lucas Investor. What's this? Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Malk has just brought this to my attention. All right. Martyn Lucas Investor 7. I mean, seriously, guys. Martyn Lucas 7. I'm Martyn Lucas Investor. Right. And anyway, look. Following 583 people. That's obviously not me. I don't follow anybody. And I've got 34,000 followers. Again, please do not. They're trying to steal your money, right? It's awful. All right. So, did anyone just sign up for the newsletter to tell me how long it takes to get the welcome email, so you know which is the real me? This is the link, and this will give you all of my genuine social media links. Sign up here, and within 10 minutes you will get. And if you've already signed up, do it again with your birthday, and that way you'll get a birthday card and discounts to our shop and stuff. Anyway, you want to do that and then tell me, because when you get a reply, it'll give you all my links to social media. I know there's many of you here who are following a scammer on Instagram. So what you could do is follow my correct one, report the other one. At least then you can get rid of it, not just for yourself, but for others. Mirren. So do you think it'll hit 100 bucks? No, not a chance. If so, I'll buy some more. No, it won't be going to 100 bucks. 100 bucks seems a pipe dream. It doesn't seem a pipe dream to me at all. But it won't be going there this Friday. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It won't be going there till big names start flying regularly. That's when it will go there. Okay. Hi all, Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you this afternoon? Would the real Martyn Lucas please stand up? July through December will be good for Tilray. Let's have a look. I don't know. Mohammed, I would like to know where you're getting information from. Catalyst coming, safe banking, Biden to reschedule, and Germany. Germany came online months ago. We talked about that. You said it was coming online. It didn't make any difference to the stock. Biden is not guaranteed. The whole legislation isn't guaranteed. There are no times. I would love to say great things for you, Mohammed, but I can't make it up just to will it, and I won't. I've just got to tell you as it is. If there's any information that any of you have got, you can share with me on Discord. Please do, and I will happily share it with everybody. If you've got it, share it with me. I will more than happy share it, but it has to be true, it has to be real and verifiable. Okay. It will drop on Friday, in my opinion. Great channel. You should do some. You do sound like Ricky Gervais. It's funny you mentioned that. Wait until tomorrow, Jimmy Lee. Tomorrow, it's going to be one of them days. Drinking whiskey. The whiskey's ready. The beer's ready. It's a party time tomorrow. It's our second anniversary. We're celebrating 1 million views tomorrow. It's going to be a very special day. Agree, Friday will tank space, but space future will be bright, but it will take ages. Some of you haven't got patience. That's why it's the right balance of my portfolio. Eric, I think I got in. Let's have a look. He thinks he's done it. Yes, he has. There you go, catamaran. There you go. Now, I'm very pleased to say that you've used we don't have to change your name. So, this is the one time you accept my friend request. This request only will last for 24 hours. I will delete it. Okay? I add you as a friend. If you don't accept it now, you've got 24 hours. Otherwise, I will delete it. I won't, it won't stay there forever. to keep my in tray empty. Okay, and now I will give you your roles as a YouTube member. There you go. Okay, you can now see all the private channels, the public channels, and down here every morning, come on in to the breakfast bar, say hello to the breakfast bar. Everybody in the morning goes in here, share some pictures. Everybody will tell you how it all works. And if you want to call into the show, here is the broadcast lounge. You can be in. If you want to call in, say hello, you can be in. Tilray Brands is now going up. Yes, Callum Moran, you are now finally on Discord. You are a member of our channel, and your membership perks and benefits will grow in time. Right, Tilray Brands is now up today, 4.6, back to Virgin Galactic, still going sideways, holding above that 511 mark, which is what we need. Otherwise, it can go to 150. Tesla going down. Mullen still going down. Lucid still going back down. Lucid, awful. Apple AI, okay, good. Amazon, fine. McDonald's going back up again. Coca-Cola, about to go green. We like it. J&J going up. We could end up, if this carries on, with a green afternoon. Okay, let me check some breaking news. Let me see what's coming in. Now, Virgin Galactic, I've got some news. Some of you have already seen this. This was from this morning. Let's bring it up to date. Virgin Galactic, this is the flight. This is the Italian Air Force. We know all about this. We're covering this. We're excited about it. This is happening later. This is all good. In fact, what I'll do is I need something for tomorrow, so I will make sure I'm live, and let's put this down. 42, and this is SPCE. Okay, let's go into the stock. I need this will be a short video for those later. This will come out later. Okay. I don't see Catamaran in the welcome page. Yes, he is. I've already done it. Mike. I've already done it. You couldn't see him? Oh, hang on a minute. Where did he go? Hang on a minute. He went in the wrong place. He went in Scam Alert. He went in Scam Alert. I don't know why he did that. He went in Scam. Why did you go in Scam Alert? Anyway, it was the welcome all. Doesn't matter. He's in Scam Alert. I don't know why you would do that, but anyway, doesn't matter. What's important is this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we finally got the flights on June the 29th. We're covering it live. In fact, all week we're going to be live up to 24 hours a day. There'll be the odd hour we're not live, but pretty much 24 hours a day. We're doing this to honor our members because tomorrow it's our 2nd anniversary. We've been live 10 hours a day now, up to 10 hours a day for 2 years. We're now providing the service up to 24 hours a day. Yeah, that's more work for me. I'm determined to grow the best, most honest live channel in the world. We'll be covering everything Virgin Galactic. This is the information that we got this morning. Let me quickly share it with you. This is Virgin Galactic this morning. The Italian Air Force, we know all about it. We're going to cover it live, and it's going to be very, very exciting. We're going to be live. Now, you could watch it elsewhere, or, of course, you can watch it here with us. And if you watch it here with us, you'll be with the family and part of the whole thing, which hopefully you will do. And we'll have special guests, live phone-ins, the flights, the information. I will try and grab hold of the telemetry. We learned that from last time. Very, very important. So this is where it's all going to happen here live. Now then, in the morning, we have a very special day tomorrow. We are celebrating 1 million views. Very, very exciting. We've got 1 million views, and it's 2 years. We are 2 years old in the morning. If you click above my head, that will take you to the Virgin Galactic video where we're going to be live on the 29th. And if I give it a couple of seconds time, I have to give it a couple of seconds. If you also click above my head, you will see the anniversary event, which is tomorrow. This is it. I've even invited Beth Moses. You never know. Anyone could turn up. We're going to be drinking, getting drunk live on air just for fun. We do it 5 times a year. This is one of those occasions. It's members only because the general public do not want to see it. This is just for our members who are part of the family and want to build this channel up. So join us for that in the morning. It'll be a lot of fun. So there you go. June 29th is confirmed. So that's it. Now, if you go over, let me just change the screen. If you go over here, just about here, you will see our chart. We did a chart for you where we see the stock price going tomorrow, a full in-depth chart. And if you look down there, there is the video just down there. There's the video for the morning. We're live all day. And that is our anniversary. We're live 24 hours a day now. Be in the chat. Be part of it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that will go out in a bit. Boom, boom, boom. Let me go back up here. Did I miss any questions? Okay, thanks, Martin. Welcome. Sorry, Eric B. Thank you for explaining that. You're absolutely right. He was in the wrong page and I actually made a mistake. So I'm glad you picked me up on that. I was pushing buttons to find a place to answer. Don't worry. How are you going to stay up for 4 days? I'm not going to be up all the time. What happens is at the end of these shows, they automatically go to the 24-hour streams. And what happens is I've got people all around the world now in 30 countries who will come in, chat, offer information about Virgin Galactic. People are going to join in, keep the live streams going. There's always going to be somebody around the world 24 hours a day in the chat you can talk to, you can get support from. It's members only in the chat. So we're not going to get idiots in there, horrible scammers, just our family in the chat. So you've got a place to go. You can talk to the whole world 24 hours a day. And then each of those shows will link to the next main video or the next live event. Okay? And as we advance, it's going to get better and better. I've got another 2 screens coming tomorrow, which will take me up to 16 screens in the studio. Just here. Either side, there'll be 2 more screens, and I'm looking at getting live footage from Tesla, live footage from Virgin Galactic, live people can phone in. A lot of things I'm trying to make it the best, better than any TV station. That's what I'm trying to do. And with your help, I know we're going to get there because we're already there. We're already there. What's the breaking news? We just reported on Mullen. Mullen just popped up 16%. Mullen and straight back down again. Virgin Galactic, we've got a warning. If it breaks below 411, it's going to 150. It could easily do that. This was the information that came out just a couple of hours ago from Virgin Galactic. I am about to get into a conversation with Virgin Galactic. If you want to take part in it, here is my Twitter account. Follow me and you'll be part of it when it starts. I'm working on something now. There is my Twitter. Follow me on that. There's my Twitter. But just a couple of hours ago, this came out. And meet the crew from the Italian Air Force. This is it here. And I actually posted, which is right at the top, look. We are covering everything live 24 hours a day all week. Special guests, live phone-ins, the flights, the charts. All you need as an investor. I hope to have the Virgin Galactic song played when I fly. I wrote it for Eve. Good luck all. And people are liking and sharing and retweeting that, which is really, really great. Brilliant. Fantastic. So talking directly with Virgin Galactic right there. All right. Okay. Hi, Martin. Good to see you. Are you going to join us tomorrow for the birthday? Hopefully you will. Let's hope some big news. Space buys in after hours. Yes, it could very well come in the after hours. It often does. Rest in peace, Spy and Virgin Galactic. Mira Jansen. I don't think so. I don't think so. Catamaran, thumbs up. Hi, Eric. How you doing? Space needs to hold 415. Well, we've said actually 411, but we're not going to split hairs, I don't think, are we, over that? What's up, Ed? Going all in, 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares at 414. Rob Brennan, are you oh my gosh, what are you doing this time? Tell me not margin. Rob Brennan, I cannot believe this is a huge, huge statement from Rob Brennan. He's going all in. He's going all in on Virgin Galactic. 50,000 shares at 414. Are you having a laugh or are you being serious? Spy falling hard. That's why I trimmed off the top. It's not really hard at all. That isn't hard. It was 401. It's now 398. That isn't falling hard. It's only down 0.34. Want to balance it out. There's no stress or drama here. So I'm only joking. I thought so. I thought, flipping heck, really? Oh, God. You worried me then for a minute, mate. I thought, well, how the hell's that going to happen then? Right. Okay. That's exactly what he's done before, folks. All right. So I wouldn't have ever thought that Rob Brennan would ever buy Virgin Galactic again. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Have I got any comments to reply to on Twitter? Thank you, Jake Swift, for your follow. I will reply to everybody that leaves me a comment. So if you want to grow your social media, 416 now. It's just dropping. We've got 9 minutes to go. Sorry for giving you a heart attack. Building my space, long position at these levels. Yep. I'm ready to buy some more here as well. I'm down 10% on my Roth. How was your anniversary dinner? It was very nice indeed. Thank you very much indeed. 5th anniversary for me and Leah, married 5 years. 411 will be my last buy. Stop loss 408. Sensei, 8 minutes. Left eyes on Medlock. Up green. Ed Nevius, thank you so much for that information from our scalp traders, Sensei and Ed Nevius. All right. Okay. Am I finally in? Yes, Catamaran, you are in. We've taken care of you. Here we go. Oh my gosh, so sorry for all the trouble. Thanks for your patience. Hey, no worries at all. No worries at all. Do you want to call in? Catamaran, would you like to call into the show? You can. Right here is the broadcast lounge. Right there. You can just click on there, look, and you can call in and be live on the show. Virgin Galactic is falling. 416, 415. Why is Space Diet trade so weirdly? Indeed it does. It makes perfect sense, though. The whales are driving it down because they want to get it right down before they buy it back in. Yeah, great trade. I'm laddering out, says Sensei Crypto. Okay. Let's check our news. We've got 7 minutes to go. Let's see if I've got any feed from Bloomberg. Here we go. A bit of we can look at our charts here. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a little look. The Dow Jones is flat right now. The S&P down 0.31. So it's not crashing, as many of you have said. We've had 3 months now. We are in a bull market. No question about it. NASDAQ is down 0.93. The flight on the 29th, the flight, yes, on the 29th of June. I'll be covering it live here on the show. Yes, indeed. On the 29th of June. Absolutely right. Okay. There we go. We're watching the stocks. Dow Jones is flat. Let me go back over to Virgin Galactic for the minute. Blackstone looks to wind down fund holdings. Riskiest CLO parts. Thank you very much indeed for that. Well, let's just get rid of the screen right now. Okay, 417. It's holding. Let's see if it holds. Someone needs... Oh, he's gone now. He's gone now. I've got something very funny. Are my comments posting? Zed Hink. Yes, they are posting. Every single one I see, I read every single comment. What are you thinking about thinking with all of the defense money dropping? Or are they getting ready for Virgin Galactic push? I missed that comment. Did I miss that comment? I did. Sorry, Zed Hink, I missed one of your comments. Thank you, Starman of David Bowie, played all weekend. Good luck this week. Thanks to you, Starman of Bowie, played all weekend. Good luck this week. Thanks to... What do you mean, thanks to me? Oh, did you play it on my channel? Or was it David Bowie you had played? Did you find a piece where I was and then loop it? Is that what you did? It was in my show, wasn't it? Anyway, are you tempted to buy it? Yes, but not until it goes lower. I'm already in. I've got enough. I don't need to buy any more. Right, 5 minutes to go. Are we going to get a rally? Look at this guy. I just want to say this is hilarious. I have no idea why people do this. This is Bloomberg. These people are supposed to know what they're doing, right? That is the most ridiculous mic sock I have ever seen in my life. Did you see the size of that windsock? I mean, that is the most ridiculous windsock in the history of the world. I have never in my life seen anyone with a windsock as big as that. He's not even outside. He's inside. Look at that. That is absolutely mental. I don't know why Bloomberg would give a man a windsock literally as big as his head. I mean, I have no idea what that's all about. It's quite funny because over here in Bloomberg, in the other office, they haven't got any. So whoever's in charge of their sound department actually doesn't know what they're doing. You don't need a giant windsock like that. Anyway, makes me laugh. I like the guy on Bloomberg who sits in a cupboard. There's like one guy who sits in a cupboard. You think, why is he sat in a cupboard? Why hasn't he got a studio like everybody else? But apparently he sits in a cupboard. Hello, Mirren. Before close, we've got 3 minutes to go. We're watching Virgin Galactic. Are we going to get a bounce on the close? Hi, Alex. Welcome, Alex April. Hello, Mirren. Lovely to have you here, Alex. We've never recorded Alex. We've recorded Paddy April from Italy. 414's getting dangerous now for Virgin Galactic. Oh, it's dropping now, and I like this. I want to buy another 1,000 shares. Wouldn't mind buying 1,000 shares at this price. So, yeah, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind at all. It would suit me right down to the ground. Thank you very much. I can pull the pin on it at a moment's notice. No worries at all. SPY dropping more. Yeah, but I just want to put some balance. The S&P isn't down massive. I'd buy the S&P under 390. 397, it's not massive. Let's just get real. We've had an 8.76 rally in the last 3 months. So let's get real here. It's no big deal. It's no big deal at all. Anyway, just bought $500 in Virgin Galactic. I think that's not a bad idea. I'm waiting for a bit more. I can see it going to 150 like a flash crash all of a sudden in 1 second and then bouncing straight back up again. So set buy orders for insane discounts. You never know. You just might get... I do it all the time. I get a pot of money and go, all right, I'll buy Virgin Galactic for 12 cents. Right? Just pick a ridiculous amount because all of a sudden you get what's called a flash crash and it happens. We've seen it happen 20% with Amazon, 20% in, like that. And it happened with Tesla. Always have a ridiculous amount of money set up in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1 minute. And we're ringing the bell today with Sensei Crypto, our sponsor here on the channel. And Sensei Crypto is our sponsor, and we'll talk about Sensei in just a couple of moments' time. And I'll drop it in the chat as well. Very, very exciting. You heard from Sensei earlier on our chart video. We'll cover it in a second. Sorry for the confusion, Martyn. No, do never apologize. I like every question. I will answer every question, and it helps everyone. When people say things, I can correct it and balance it, and it's important. Because remember, Mirren, people come in and out of the show in seconds. Some people are here for hours. Our members are on average an hour, 4 hours a day. But anyway, let's go over now to ringing the bell. Sensei Crypto is our sponsor. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Virgin Galactic is 313. The bell has now gone. It's up 0.25% in the after hours to 414. Where's it going to go? Let's go back. We're still red in the studio. Virgin Galactic is trying to come back up again, but I wouldn't mind buying it if it does go lower, but I would prefer way under 4 because I'm already in. If you go to the supermarket and you buy the best price for your product and then someone says, we've got a 5% discount, are you going to double the amount of bananas you've bought or milk or cheese? No. If someone says we're giving a 30% discount, different ball game. Okay? So if you've already got it at the price level that you're happy with, don't pull the trigger on a 5% because you'll be chasing the stock, you'll run out of money, you'll have nowhere to go, and you'll always regret that. I never regret not being in a stock. I regret paying too much for a stock. All right? That's the healthy way of doing it. Okay, then let's just see how many people are in the show right now. We've got 73. Can we get 60 likes? Can we get, and then I want to introduce you to a special guest. Can we get 60 likes in let's say 20 seconds? Let's do 20 seconds. We've got, how many have we got watching? We've got 67. Can we get 60 likes in 20 seconds? 49. We're up now, 0.71 in the after hours for Virgin Galactic. That's not bad. We're 415 again. Good. 50. What is your average on space? I've got several accounts. My average is 396 on my brokerage account and just over 4 on my other account. Brandon Woods, thank you very much for liking the stream. 53, 7 likes to go. That'll do. I just wanted to see if we could get a few more. That would be nice. Anyway. Okay. 55. Thank you, Lucasades. All right. That's the name of my army, by the way, in case you're wondering. Who are the Lucasades? You're the Lucasades. The members are the Lucasades. All right. Okay, let's come back here just a moment. Now, we've got a special guest in the channel today. We got our sponsor in the channel. Sensei was here earlier, did a great video if you've not yet seen it. This is the video for the morning, members only. If you're not a member, you will not see this video in the morning. Now, I am losing money because I'm not going to go to the general public, but that's what I do. We like to support and honor our members, and these we have 5 special occasions a year, and then we have other members events as well, but this is one of them where we get drunk live on the show, have a laugh, fall off our chair, I drink shots for super chats. It's a bit of fun, and if I did it more than 5 times a year, I would end up breaking myself, so I can't do that. Anyway, this morning, you may have noticed, Virgin Galactic is now up 1%, 417 in the after hours. Nice, I didn't sell anything. I hope you didn't also. Anyway, let me share with you this video here. This was put out earlier, Sensei. This is the members only streams tomorrow. Only members can see it. There it is. Okay, so you need to be in for that. This was the chart video that we did with Sensei and told you exactly where we feel the stock is going. So you need to look at that. And I've got Sensei now in the show. He's asking questions, answering your questions in the live chat if you want to ask him anything. We're up 418 now. Virgin Galactic, there we go, going up nicely. It's all about patience, folks. So who is Sensei? Sensei is one of my friends. He sponsored the channel, and I only accept sponsorships from people I actually am involved with, and I like the products. I wouldn't take $1 million from anybody unless I'm actually drinking the product, eating the product, using the product, and I like it, okay? So Sensei does our crypto challenge and also does scalp trades and chart setups, one-on-one education. And this is Sensei's website right now. Now, if you are a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount to Sensei services. My members always get the best deal. How do you get the best deal? Well, you quote the name Lucasades. Lucasades. Here is my discount code. Make sure everyone's got this if you ever sign up for anything with Sensei. And what it'll do for you is we have our giveaways, which is on my website, but also here as well. We have we just gave away $150 a couple of weeks ago to our friends in Africa. We did a donation to a charity, which was great. The person who won it decided to pass it on. There's some great free content. Sensei will show you his chart setups, how he does it. One-on-one education with you. This is free. This is part of the free service. And there's also a paid element as well. But again, you get the lifetime discount. You'll end up getting my membership for nearly free because that's just the way I make it. I make it my members get the best deals. All right, you can then sign up for the plans here. You can go for a free plan. All sorts of benefits and perks, or you can be on a gold plan. It's entirely up to you. But anyway, great Sensei. Ali Tisro runs Sensei Crypto. Go and check it out. Links below every one of my videos, and it's also in the chat for you right now. Okay, right then, we've come to the end of our show today. So we've got Day Trader of the Day, and we've got Roll the Credits to see who the stars of our show were today. So just before we go, let me shut down the broadcast lounge. Nobody's calling in. So that's done. Let me go to, I think Catamaran is giving me a wave. Wave back to you. There you go. We're now friends on Discord. Brilliant. Let me just close that down. That's all done. Let me thank everybody, because you all know we did announce this morning we made 1 million views. Thank you to all of you who got us through the 1 million views. It was last night we actually did it. So here it is. I'll share it with you on the screen so you can actually see we actually did it. This is because of you. The negative naysayers said it would never happen in the time that we set, and we did it 2 days early. So I knew we'd do it. 1 million views. So thank you to all of you. We're on target to be 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, if not sooner. And we're on target to be at 100,000 subscribers a year and a half, and 1 million just a couple of years away. It's going straight up like that. So we're very excited about that, with 30 countries represented who watch and 14 languages that we go out in. Okay. Virgin Galactic's up nearly 1% now. What else did I want to mention? Let me just do one more thing. Many of you are getting scammed by following scammers on social media, and I've told you how to avoid it. Go to my website. Here's the link. Sign up for my newsletter, and you'll be sent all the correct links for my social media. It's also on my website as well. All right. You'll also get a birthday card if you put your birthday in. If you've already signed up for the newsletter, the old version, do it again and add your date of birth. I don't need the year, just the month and the day, so I can send you a birthday card on your birthday. Some of you like to follow me on Facebook, my personal account. Here's my personal account. I've got a handful of friend requests left. And I only accept friends from people who watch my show. So if you are doing a friend request now, let me know in the chat and I will accept it. You can follow me there as well, of course. I've given you Twitter for the conversation later on I want to have with Virgin Galactic, and you can I can tag you in that. And that is it. This is the morning show. This is the morning show here. Now, what you will notice after this show, as this show ends, and this show is members only, if you go to this one, as this show ends now, it'll take you automatically, each show takes you to the next live show. It'll take you to our 24-hour stream. This starts in a few hours' time and will go all through the night. Starts at 7:30 p.m. Central and goes for 12 hours, all the way through until 7:30 in the morning. It is public, because this isn't the party. This is the build-up for the party. But it's only members only who can chat. Only members can chat, because it's a 24-hour stream, and I'm not going to be awake for 24 hours. Obviously, I have to sleep and eat and do other things. It's to prevent idiots talking. It's available just for the members to talk. Anyone can watch, but only members can have a conversation. So if you want to, middle of the night, talk to somebody about Virgin Galactic or Microsoft or Tesla or whatever, or ask a question how to sign up to, to YouTube, or there'll always be somebody from all around the world in 30 countries in our stream. And that's going to get more. Right now, it's quite simple, the service, but it's going to advance all the time. It's going to get better and better all the time. Okay? Martin, are you sending me 5 Bitcoin? I have sent the transfer fee of $200 and I responded to your Telegram. Yeah, funny that, isn't it? Funny that. Oh, unbelievable. It really is annoying, because I know, and I'm not going to call you out by name, but there's about 10 of you here who are following the wrong Martyn Lucas Investor on Instagram alone. It's about 10 of you. I got 2 people, one person today on Facebook say, is this you? It was spelt with 2 L's, Martyn Lucas with 2 L's. You all know, you only get my links from the website. You only get my links from the newsletter, below my videos, not anywhere else. Don't go searching it. I give you the right stuff. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, I'm really upset that people are being taken advantage of. I'm trying to help the very best I can. Great, I will be in at nights. Ed Nevius, it'd be wonderful, mate. Wonderful. We got from 7 till 7 tonight, and that's every night. We're doing it 24 hours a day. There's the odd hour, but pretty much 23, 22 and a half, 24 hours. And see how it goes. And over the weekend, it might continue. We shall see how it goes. But we're going till Friday to test it out. At the weekend, we're looking at other options. No, me, is it? Not me, is it? I'm not going to tell anybody who it is, because I do not want to embarrass anybody. But there's about 10 of you following the wrong person on TikTok, the wrong person on Facebook and Instagram. And Zed Hink, you'd like to be a friend on Facebook? Okay, let me go and have a look. Zed Hink, have I got a friend request? Let me change it then. Let me have a look. Have I got a friend request? I'll do it live right now in the show. Let me see. Right, Zed Hink, is this you? Okay, so Zach Hinkle, is this you? Zed Hink, is that you there? I've got a handful of friend requests left. You only allowed 5,000. I say a handful. I think I've got about 150 actually, something like that. Zach, is that you? If that's you, I will more than happily accept your friend request. Can you just let me know? The main show is now finished, folks. We're just doing some maintenance for all the members. Martin, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't always convince them not to pay a 200 fee. There's people who are doing it. I had someone come on my show. Do you remember? Was you all here about, I don't know, a year ago, who said, I just literally sent someone some money for Bitcoin. I thought it was you. I don't know what to do. Zach, more than happy to accept your friend request. There you go. Yes, it's me. Brilliant. Lovely to be friends with you. And these 2 here, I will delete because these 2 people have not yet come in. They asked me this morning and they've not come in, and I don't know if they're real. So tonight I'll be deleting these 2. I only hold it for 24 hours because that's what we do. I can't wait for that moment. Looking forward. It will be awesome. Says Alex, that's tomorrow morning. Martin, question. I thought can only stream 12 hours. Correct. You can only stream for 12 hours. Correct. In one stream. So tonight's stream will start at 7:30 and end at 7:30. It'll run for 12 hours. Then the live show with me here in the studio will start at 7:30 and go to 10, 10:30, 11, 12. You know how it works. Then there'll be another couple of hours in between that and the 2 p.m. The 2 p.m. will go through till 3, 4 o'clock. And then the 7:30 till 7:30 will start again. So the idea is the family will always have somewhere to go, always have someone to talk to, always have support, always live, always available to answer anyone's questions. It's all part of being the most honest, real channel on YouTube. You give enough disclaimers and warnings. If people get scammed, it's their own fault. Yeah. Oh, yes, it'll be amazing. Do you try and get the impersonators removed from Instagram? Yes, I do. Do you know what? The other day, Leah found someone pretending to be me on Facebook, okay, and Instagram, and reported them, and oh, we just lost 2 subscribers. It happens sometimes. And Facebook came back and said they're not scammers. It's like, well, they are, because they're not me. They're pretending to be me, and they came back. We reported them twice, and both times Facebook said, no, it's the real person. So I'm thinking, well, that's great. So this is what I'm doing. I'm making another pledge to you guys. You know, recently I did this. It cost me $200. I spent, I think, $99 on Twitter twice for Martyn Lucas Investor and Martyn Lucas to get my verification tick. I'm going to pay to have all my Instagram and all my Facebooks done as well, because I want to do everything I can to protect you. Because it's really upsetting to me that I go live 10 hours a day just so other people can go and take advantage of you. It's really, and the person on Instagram, there are about 20, but the one I'm talking about has more followers than I do. It's like everyone's there's about 10 of you here who are all following the wrong person. I can't believe it. I don't know what to say. And anyway, it's all in my newsletter. All my actual links are in the newsletter. And if you sign up for it right now, it will send you within 5 to 10 minutes a welcome email with my links. You can go and check right now that you are actually signed up to the right person. And you can stop following some scammer who's trying to hack your computer. Anyway, will it be in the morning, Martin? Yes. Here's the event. This is the next live stream. This is the build up for the birthday party. This starts tonight. This starts in a couple of hours' time. Goes for 12 hours all the way through the night, so you can chat with each other. And this will go directly into the party, which is in the morning, which is right there. Okay. Not that one, sorry. Upcoming live streams. There we go. Hang on a minute. Upcoming live streams. Let me just refresh that a minute. Upcoming live streams. Oh, yeah, members only. That's why it's not in the list. There. See, the upcoming live streams only shows the public events. See, the public events. Just underneath, upcoming members only live streams. That's tomorrow's show. They're all members only. Only members will be able to see it. So I'm not having it go out to the public. Only the members will be in tomorrow. All right, as we celebrate 2 years. You need to try and get those blue ticks. I will get them. I will get them. Tomorrow is the birthday and also the anniversary of me having no more cigarettes. Hey! Well, do you know what we're going to do, man from Earth? Me and you are going to drink whiskey and celebrate until one of us falls off a chair. For you, you'll fall off a chair and nobody will know it until you climb back up and go, I just fell off my chair, and text it. You will see me actually fall off my chair. So anyway, there you go. Brilliant. Man from Earth, good luck. I'm trying to stop it as well. Good. Very good. And don't bother with the vaping stuff either. 417, we're holding up. Right, I've got to get off. This video will take you directly now to the 24-hour stream, which starts in 4 hours from now. So we're actually live 20 hours, not quite 24 yet, but we will eventually, if it works out well, we will be. I've got a message here. Please update AREB. They are now backed by Trump and doing a reverse split. Float will be Adams Investing Company. I can only review a stock for you if you are a member. I spend 10 minutes doing a full back test for you, but unfortunately you're not a member, so I can't dedicate 10 minutes of the show to do that. Last time Martyn checks were real red. Last time Martyn's cheeks were real red. Yeah. Just put it out, throw away the rest and go cold turkey and never go back. There you go. Right, Virgin Galactic just falling off. Right, we got to go. Let's do day trader of the day. And let's also do the stars of our show and get ready for the morning. All right. Let me just check something. That's good. Let me oh, there's my friends on Rumble. Hey, there's our friends on Rumble. How you doing? Midnight's over there on Rumble. Welcome to you, Midnight. Lovely to have you with us. Thank you. Hopefully you'll join us. It won't be on Rumble tomorrow. It's only going to be on YouTube as members only. Let me go into Facebook and refresh the stream there. Let me just do that a minute and smash the like button there. I always like my own video as well. Why is Sam always angry? Sam Connery always is angry. Sam, why are you always angry? Why are you always angry, Sam? You're always doing angry. Every day you do an angry face. You come in on Facebook every day and you're angry. I never understand it. What's the point of being angry every day? Does it achieve? I don't know what it achieves. We've got a friend request. Okay. Kathleen Muller, Els Hasley. Kathleen Muller, are you watching me? More than happy to accept your friend request if you're watching me here. If not, I don't. People friend request me all the time. And Kathleen Muller, Els Hasley. If that's you in the chat, I will gladly accept. If not, I won't. Okay, and I'll delete it within 24 hours. If it's you, let me know. All right, time to do... Kathleen, can you hear me? There you go. If it's you, Kathleen, let me know and I'll gladly do it, but you need to confirm it's you. Right. Let's go over now to members only for Day Trader of the Day. Now then, to make sure if you're going to enter our competition, make sure that you are all up to date. Otherwise, you'll be behind. Many of you do this. Click the live button. Turn it from grey to red. See? And then hit the cogs and go playback speed 2. And now you'll be just 5 seconds behind. And you can see what it does. Look, it fast forwards it. Button. Turn it from grey to red, see? And then hit the cogs and go playback speed 2. And now you'll be just 5. See, you're now literally right up to date. So, Virgin Galactic is holding up. I'm okay with that. I'm down 0.6. Let's go and do Day Trader of the Day. I'm going to give for the last time now, if you want to be a member for tomorrow, you can find it below the videos, but otherwise, and you can do it if you need help in the 24-hour feed. Somebody will help you as well if you want that help, but it is members only in the morning. There we go. Let's now go members only for the competition. and only members now can enter. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Okay. Okay, George says, I'm down 3%. Okay, here we go. Down 0.6%. So we're hardly down at all. I'm perfectly okay with that. And when the first person posts, I will put a minute on the clock. George was here early, so I'll just wait a second just in case we don't want to miss anybody. And then we've got day trader of the, sorry, we've got the stars of our show. Okay. We got a Luca badge, Sensei Crypto. How are you, Sensei? Over there on Discord. Who's going to post first? Chiggy, 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 bow, bow, so the chiggy, 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 bow, bow. Where the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Where the real Satoshi? Stand up. Nakamoto down 6.9. Oh, here we go. 1 minute now. Down 2%. Ouch. Am I going to win again? Am I going to win again? Down 0.6. George is down 3. Man from Earth is down 6.9. Cherry is down 2. I might win. I might win again. Come on. Down 4.33. Yes, I'm in first place. Down 0.19. You are kidding me. Ah, I thought I was going to win. Not even the day before my birthday, the anniversary of the show, am I going to win. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius is actually up. Look at him, look. Smart ass. Unbelievable. Ed Nevius. Well, that's it. Ed Nevius, thank you for your honest trades. No, Ed Nevius wins. Give him a thumbs up. And here's the sound effects. Unbelievable. Ed Nevius, congratulations. Okay, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. See who the stars of our show was tonight. Let's have a quick look. All right. Congratulations. We've got subscriptions, Mario82, subscribers, Drinking Troll, and a member, Catamaran. We didn't have any super chats tonight. We didn't have any crypto giving tonight. But we did get a new member, which was Catamaran, and subscribers, we had Drinking Troll, and we had a new follower as well. Brilliant. Now, there's more subscribers than that. That's just the public subscribers. Some of you don't share your subscriptions. You hide them. But subscriptions and resubs, absolutely great. There you go. Brilliant. In fact, let me just check that. Subscribers and resubs. I never noticed 2. So someone must have subscribed to me on Twitch, and I didn't even notice that. Is that what that was? Someone subscribed to me on Twitch. I think maybe. Yes, a Drinking Troll resubscribed to me on Twitch with their free Amazon Prime. It's free to subscribe to me on Amazon Prime. Everyone should do it. I get a couple of bucks a month. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything at all. So thank you very much indeed, Drinking Troll, for subscribing to me on Twitch. That's very, very kind. If you use your Amazon Prime, it's free. That's it from me. I'm all done. Thank you ever so much, everybody over there on TikTok. I did it on Twitch. Oh, is that you, is it? You're Drinking Troll. Thank you so much, Zedhink. Yeah, it's for free. I'm live on Twitch all the time. If you use Amazon Prime, it's free. It doesn't renew. You've got to do it every month because it won't do it for you. But Amazon basically give me a $2 tip every month, and it helps to keep my stream going on Twitch. It's completely free. Just use Amazon Prime and boom. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. So that's a great tip. It's free money, right? Jeff Bezos is giving me $2 a month. That's it from me. See you back in the morning. Look out for the live stream tonight. Join us for that. Take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and each other. Stay right where you are. It will take you right now to the live stream, which starts in 4 hours from now, and then all the way through the night. Bye-bye for now.